Okay, so let's try this example. Say we have 3x squared plus 10x plus 4 all over x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. So unang gagawin natin is tingnan natin yung denominator if anong klaseng factor. So makita natin dito that these are all linear factors. So syempre, ang unang gagawin natin is set yung partial fraction niya. So we have a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x plus 3. Next, i-multiply natin tong whole equation sa first linear factor which is yung x plus 1. So ilagay natin dito sa labas x plus 1. So i-distribute natin to sa lahat ng term. So therefore, this one times x plus 1, we will have 3x squared plus 10x plus 4 all over, ang matitira is x plus 2 times x plus 3 kasi nga nagka-cancel out si x plus 1. Sa kabila naman, itong term na to multiplied by x plus 1, so ang matitira is a. Then next, itong term times x plus 1, we have b times x plus 1 all over x plus 2. Then we have c times x plus 1 over x plus 3. Next na gagawin is, kailangan natin maghanap ng isang value ni x to simplify this equation. So let us use this first linear factor which is x plus 1. So let us say let x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have the value of x which is negative 1. So ang gagawin is isa-substitute natin to sa equation. Dito, sa equation na to. So let's put here lahat ng x palitan ng negative 1. Ayan. Dito din. Okay. So kung mapapansin nyo, sa term na to, negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So ibig sabihin nun, magiging 0 na to kasi nga, di ba ang rule, a 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So therefore, automatic, this will become 0. Ito din sa kabila. Okay? So ang matitir na lang is only etong letter A. Ayan. So ang mangyayari dito sa kabila, ilan ba to? Try natin ha. So, lagay muna natin yung equation dito. We have 3x squared plus 10x plus 4 all over x plus 2 times x plus 3. Press calc, then set the value of x to negative 1 equals. So, ibig sabihin nito, ang value ni letter A is negative 3 over 2. Ayan. Next, ang gagawin natin is kunin naman natin si letter B. So, same pa rin. Copy muna natin to. Okay. Replace na lang natin to ng x plus 2. So, therefore, lagay natin dito x plus 2. Yan. Okay, so same pa rin, distribute. So, we have 3x squared plus 10x plus 4 all over. Matitira sa baba is only x plus 1 times x plus 3. Dito naman sa kabila, we have a times x plus 2 over x plus 1. Dito naman, magka-cancel out si x plus 2. Therefore, ang matitira is only b. And sa kabila is c times x plus 2 over x plus 3. So, same pa rin. Next na gagawin is kunin natin yung value ni x from the second linear factor, which is let natin that x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, we have x is equal to negative 2. Same pa rin, substitute natin sa nakuha nating equation. Okay? So, ilagay natin dito. So, we have negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. Replace lang lahat. So, kitang-kita na, no? Madali lang. So, same pa rin. Negative 2 plus 2, that's 0. So, any number that is divided by, or I mean, a 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So, ito din sa kabila. So, natitira sa kabila is si letter B na lang. So, ang ibig sabihin dito, ito na lang yung i-compute natin. Okay, so, ilan ba yan? Gamitin lang natin tong equation, pero i-replace natin si ito, delete, change natin to 1. So, press calc, then change it to negative 2 as the value of x. So, therefore, we have 4. So, lagay natin dito that the value of b is 4. Alright. Then, so meron na tayong value ni A and value ni B. Last is we need to get the value of letter C. So, para makuha mo si letter C, pwede mo din gayahin yung procedure sa pagkuha natin, katulad sa pagkuha natin kay letter A and kay letter B. But, para maging madali yung pagkuha sa value niya, ganito na lang gawin natin. Let natin x is equal to 0. Ayan. Tapos, i-substitute natin sa original na equation, which is itong equation na to. So, replace lang natin si x to 0. So, ito yon 0, 0, ayan, ang daming 0. Ayan, ayan. Then, we all know that the value of a is, negative 3 over 2. Then, si b is 4. Ayan. So, isa na lang yung unknown, which is letter C. So, pwede na siyang makuha, di ba? So, ang matitira dito sa taas is only 4 all over ito 1, 2, and 3. Dito naman, we have negative 3 over 2 all over 1 plus 4 over 2 plus C over 3. Ayan, so ilan ba to? That's 4. This is 4 over 6. So pwede natin tawag nito, ma-simplify to, that's 2 over 3, right? Then we have negative 3 over 2. Ito plus 2 plus C over 3. Therefore, pwede natin makuha ang value ni C. Tama. Okay, so calculator, we have 2/3 2/3 itong negative 3 over 2 ilipat natin sa kabila, so we have plus 3 over 2. Ito naman si 2, so minus 2. Ayan, tapos multiply natin by 3. Ayan, so ibig sabihin ang value ng letter C is 1 over 2. Ayan, so we have now the value of A, B, and C. Now, huwag kayong mapanatag na nakuha na natin yung value. Kailangan natin i-check to verify na tama yung sagot natin. Baka kasi during the process may mali tayo. So to check, lagay natin dito for checking. Yan. Let us try to check kung etong value sa left side, itong equation na to, is equal sa value sa right side. Considering na gagamitin natin ang value ni A, B, at C. Okay? Tapos, try natin gumamit ng value ni X, which is, let's try this one. Let X is equal to 0. So, i-substitute na naman natin to. Try natin dito. 0, 0, 0, 0. For checking lang to Pero kung satisfied na, pwede naman. Pero just to show na tama yung sagot natin. So, replace natin 0, 0, 0. And yung known natin na values ni A, B, and C. So, we have negative 3 over 2. Ito is 4. Ito is 1/2. So, let's put a question mark. Kasi di pa natin alam kung equal ba yung both sides. So, try natin Simplify muna natin. So, we have ito 0. Ang matitira is 4. Katulad pa rin kanina, 1, 2, 3. So, we have 4 over 6. Or, pwede ilagay natin na tawag nito 2 over 3 2 over 3 na lang kasi na siya na simplify na. So we have 2 over 3. So we have ilan ba to? Negative 3 over 2 all over 1 ito. So we have negative 3 over 2 plus 4 over 2, that's 2. Ito naman 1/2 over 6, that's 1 over 6. Tama. So, lagay natin dito question mark. So, ito known na to na 2 over 3. So, dapat ang resulta nito is 2 over 3. Tama. So, let's compute. So, we have negative 3 over 2 plus 2 plus 1 over 2. Ay, 1 over 6 pala. Sorry. So, 1 over 6. Ayan. So, therefore, tama yung value na nakuha natin for A, B, and C. So, correct. So satisfied na tayo. So, yun lang. Kailangan mo lang i-check just to verify na tama yung sagot na nakuha natin. Okay, so that's for partial fraction first type linear factor. Thank you.